Monday. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen. My channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. If you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you an unboxing. Today we will be unboxing Chanel, Dior, and Celine, and getting my first impressions. So let's get straight into it. I said Chanel, right? Okay. Here is the bag. And I'm raising it up for you can see. This is a true unboxing. Chanel ribbon. Camellia. Inside, we have this little package. And we have some water. And then we have the receipt. As you've seen in many of my unboxing, I first show you the Camellia and then share with you the Chanel ribbon. You know by now what to expect. But here's the Chanel Camellia right here. And then we have the Chanel ribbon. And it says Chanel all around the ribbon. And we just pull it off and fling it. Here is your box. Inside the box, I know I shouldn't put it down. Hello. Hello, lover. Is my Chanel studded earring. I want to say they're in a triangular form. If you can see the triangle on the double C's. I love double C's. I love anything shiny, and I love Chanel. And all of that is right here. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. Let me know what you think about them down below. Here is the receipt. Metal strass Chanel earrings. Basically, anytime that I open up some earrings from Chanel, they should be strass, diamantes, rhinestones, whatever you call them. They're going to be shiny and bright, because that's what I'm drawn to. And these earrings are $9.75. Where did I pick them up? Costa Mesa. That is the first item. Let's keep it moving and grooving. But I want to see what's in this bag. Hold on. Moving and grooving. We are moving and grooving. Let's go to the brand Dior. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Dior is very simplistic. I love it that it's simplistic, but then it has the gold. The lettering is raised and then it's gold. So that gold against that stark white, it just pops. I love it. Okay. Dior ribbon. Dior box. And then Dior J'adore friendship bracelet. Many years ago, the friendship bracelet was popular. I did purchase a dupe from Amazon and never wore it. I'll buy it, and I never wore it. But then when I went into the boutique and seen this blingy baby, like I said, the bling will draw the attention. The bling will make me say, come hither. And this says, come hither, and I love it. It has the little adjustable straps in the back with the little tassels. And then you can just adjust it by pulling it apart like that. It says Christian Dior J'adore. And then it's surrounded by bling bling. I'm trying to figure out how to put it on for it will read for the person that is saying, oh, that's a cute bracelet. What does it say? And then what I say is, right? So there it is. Also comes in this pouch, cream pouch, gold lettering, Dior. I love it. I don't have a price on it, but if I find a receipt, I'll let you know in the comment section or on the screen down below, as I'm saying down below. Yes. Moving from that to Celine, first impressions. This is the bag. It says Celine Paris. Very nice, white crisp with the black accent. Love it. It's classic, just like, you know, the other brand. It has a sticker with the 2 C's for Celine. I love anything that has a C because for some reason I think it's me. This says a C, I think Carmen. I know it says Celine, but I think Carmen. Go with the flow. All right. So this little sticker keeps the bag closed. This is first impressions. So first impressions on the bag. Presentation, yes. In store, yes. Nice. I like it. I could love it, but I like it. So those are the first impressions of the store experience and the presentation of the bag, the packaging. So, okay, inside is the damage, and then the little tissue wrapped present for Carmen. Okay, so we have black tissue. It does not have any type of logo on the black tissue. In the front, they have a little sticker that is their seal with a double seal. It is black. And let's just take this open. Okay, I'm trying to open it. Okay, that's another way to get it out. Side is this black t-shirt. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. It's soft. It fits me like a glove, like as far as up under your arms or the length of the torso. It just fits me perfectly. Let me see what size I picked it up in. There is no, oh, here, hold on. Okay, so this is a large black triomphe. I don't know, I feel like I'm speaking another language. Triomphe tank top, I believe. Ribbed cotton. I usually don't go for a ribbed, but I like this. I stated large, black. The price is $7.90. Yeah. So look at it. It's just so cute. It's so cute. And right now it is so hot that I probably need to put this on. If you can tell, here is the ribbing. It's very soft to the touch. As I stated, I usually don't go for ribbed, but this ribbed is a good ribbed. I don't like a hard ribbed. I don't like ribbed in general, but I like this. And again, it fits up under my arms very well. It fits my torso. I have a short torso and it fits that just excellent. The shirt sits on my body well. I tried on 2 shirts. I don't remember what sizes. One, I know it was in the color white because I thought if I buy white, it would go with everything. Well, hello, black goes with everything. But this black tank, this size large, fits my body. It just hugs it. Like, you know, right here. And then right down there. Good. there is the Celine logo. With tax, it came to $851.23. That is the Celine ribbed tank in a size large. I love it. First impressions, perfect, good. Would I go back to the store? Yes, I would. I would go back to the store. I need a little bit more money though. Okay, I need a little bit more money. So that is all that we had today. I shared with you Chanel, I shared with you Dior, and I shared with you my first impressions of Celine with the large rib black tank that I am going to get a lot of use out of. Comment below which one was your favorite item. Which one do you think you would purchase? Let me know in the comments section. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you. Okay, you tripping. In my next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, tell a friend. If you know a friend, a lover of luxury, then tell a friend to watch my video, okay? But make sure you subscribe. We're on our way up, okay? Posting more, being consistent. So please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. Arrivederci. Bye-bye. Have a great day or week.